Hybrid polymer concrete is a faster, smarter alternative to traditional concrete. Normally, concrete takes about 28 days to fully harden, too slow for road repairs. By the time it's ready, detours are often damaged by traffic. To solve this, Fast Track uses a special type of polymer concrete made with high-quality resins and aggregates. The big benefit? Roads can reopen just 3 hours after repairs. That's a huge time saver. Plus, this material is tough. It holds up really well against chemicals and extreme weather. On bridges and busy highways, it doesn't just fix the problem fast, it also helps the road last for decades. It's a game changer for construction crews and drivers alike. Mapei's MapeGuard WP200 is a smart waterproofing sheet made for wet areas like bathrooms and showers. It's built with a thin polyethylene core sandwiched between non-woven polypropylene layers, making it strong yet flexible. This design lets it stick easily to surfaces like bare concrete and wrap tightly around pipes. You can even tile directly over it right after installation, no waiting needed. At just 0.5 millimeters thick, it takes up barely any space, which is great for smaller bathrooms where every inch counts. Whether you're remodeling or building new, it's a space-saving and reliable way to keep water where it belongs, out of your walls and floors. A practical choice for modern, moisture-prone areas. Origami, the Japanese art of folding paper without using scissors or glue, is now inspiring engineers too. At the University of Michigan, researchers have developed foldable structures based on origami techniques. These designs can be used to quickly build things like bridges, shelters, and canopies. Despite being lightweight, they are incredibly strong. For example, a column just 1 meter tall and weighing only 7 kilograms can hold up to 2.1 tons. That's because the weight is carefully spread out along the whole structure. These foldable designs could be very useful in emergency situations or even space missions. Since they don't require heavy equipment or lots of people to set up, they might one day replace traditional construction in certain places. Pneumatic vacuum elevators use air pressure to move up and down inside a clear tube, kind of like a capsule zipping through a pipe. These elevators are a smart choice for homes because they're smaller than regular ones and easy to install. They even plug into a standard power outlet. There are different models available, including ones that are wheelchair accessible. A typical PVE lift can carry up to 238 kilograms or 3 people. And no need to worry about safety. They meet strict EU legal and technical standards. If you're looking for a modern, space-saving elevator for your home, this could be the perfect fit. Quiet, sleek, and surprisingly simple, pneumatic elevators are changing the way people move between floors. The SCF-60 is a self-climbing formwork system designed to boost safety and efficiency on construction sites. It protects workers from falling objects in bad weather, and it doesn't need cranes or scaffolding, saving time, materials, and labor. The system meets safety standards in Europe, the UK, and the US, and it works well on buildings over 300 meters tall. The supplier supports the entire process, from design calculations to full project assistance. Construction sites can quickly turn into muddy chaos with heavy cargo traffic, unless they're using Enduramat ground protection mats from Sonco. These tough polymer panels keep the soil stable, even under serious pressure. They're stronger than plywood or steel sheets, yet each mat weighs only 32 kilograms and can handle up to 80 tons. Enduramats are also great for indoor use, like in warehouses. They don't soak up chemicals, which makes them safe to move between sites without contamination worries. And when the work's done, they don't end up in a landfill. They're fully recyclable. Whether it's rain, mud, or heavy machinery, Enduramat helps keep the ground protected, safe, and clean, all while being easy to reuse. Schuco has launched a system called Perfect, and the name says it all. It's highly flexible and fits almost any type of opening. Want a sliding door for your porch? Perfect. Thinking of installing wide panoramic windows? Perfect. Replacing old balcony doors? You guessed it. Perfect. It's ideal for both new constructions and older homes, and also works great in commercial and industrial settings. Everything comes from a single source, making life easier for contractors. Need extras like insect screens or shutters? You can get those too, all in one order. And when it comes to installation, it's fast and simple. Some setups can be done in just 10 minutes. Now, that's what you call a perfect solution. TundraBox is a smart, modular system that makes green rooftops more affordable and easy to install, no longer just a luxury. It's made up of 3 key parts: trays, a special soil mix, and pre-grown plants. The setup is simple and maintenance is minimal. In fact, during the first year, you won't even need to fertilize. Just water it now and then. Green roofs offer plenty of benefits. They help block out noise, reduce air conditioning bills, and support greener, healthier cities. While we could make an entire video on all the advantages, the bottom line is this: TundraBox makes it easier than ever to go green, right on your rooftop. The construction world is going through big changes, with new technologies that once felt like science fiction becoming part of daily work. One amazing example is in the tiny Swiss village of Mulangs, home to just 11 people. There, scientists built the world's tallest 3D printed structure, the Tour Alva, or White Tower. Standing 30 meters tall, it's part theater, part viewing platform, and part art piece. 2 robots helped build it. One layered cement like toothpaste, and the other added steel bars every 26 centimeters for strength. The tower now rises high above the village, drawing visitors from around the world. The Warwickshire Overbridge project could have meant long delays and endless traffic jams, but HS2 engineers had a smarter plan. In April, they took on the A46 highway and installed a huge 12,000-ton bridge in just 5 days. The team worked non-stop, using advanced technology to speed things up. One key tool was a special push system that slid the bridge into place on rails, covering 64 meters with impressive precision. Once the bridge was in position, the remaining time was used to finish roadworks like drainage, paving, and fresh markings. Thanks to clever planning and modern methods like MEA deck construction, they kept disruptions to a minimum, getting the job done faster and smoother than anyone expected. Size one jaw-dropping project. Fabrics 9 meters sideways and 2 meters. To pull it off, the team used 34 hydraulic jacks, lifted 100 tons. It weighs around 800 and is so precise that we took acid for 130 minutes. This is just one example of amazing work.